What's up, my family, friends, items, and Jill?
Yeah, check our journey.
Okay. We are walking down Summer Street
Dancing, dancing,
out in Lakewood to go to the fireworks. Wow.
Oh, baby.
I don't know where we at, but we back here by some pretty houses. That's why I said we're in Lakewood. I don't know where. We just know we in like some beautiful houses back here on the lakefront, and we are on our way to the park so that we can see some fireworks and just enjoy the time. Yes, we are. So I wanted to get on here and welcome y'all before we get there, because I hear music, and I know once they start shooting off fireworks, music, when I get close, I ain't gonna be at the top. I ain't gonna be at the top. That's my grandson.
Jesus loves you.
That's the preacher. Look at the skyline. The skyline.
About to go on. Because it is 9:46.
They're gonna be shooting it right over here. They already sent one little warning sign.
I don't know why the fireworks ain't started yet. It's already like 9:50. One, they shot off one, and that was it. I ain't seen nothing since. Oh, that was pretty.
Lighting up the sky, Larry.
I'm too busy.
They got green ones.
That was like outer space.
Playing the music while they're doing it.
Watching him sexy.
The best show in the house. house to be on this phone.
That's how them kids do.
This is the beauty right in front of us. Those are my favorite. Those are my favorite. You know who got the best fireworks? The world. And they do it right over the castle in Magic Kingdom. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that beautiful too.
That little drone. I bet you that's a drone.
Yeah, that was flying right in the middle of it.
They probably just getting some footage.
Some really good
Somebody
footage.
got a somebody got
A
a
drone. Yeah. They like right in the middle of the action. They better stop playing for it get shot down. Unless it's, you know. Oh yeah, it belongs to somebody over here. Unless it's the city recording it. Recording it.
That could be that too. This is right there.
Oh, that's pretty. Right in the sky.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Watching the drone.
That's so pretty.
Smell the smoke.
Huh?
I can smell the
Smell.
smoke.
What you say?
You can smell it.
Oh yeah.
Strong. Babies in their chair. Oh, look how that look at me.